Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about Ethereum, just a local updates for this token. Let's dive in. First of all, I'm once again surprised how the people react so emotionally. So just some altcoins pump it. Everybody started looking at what to buy. What to buy? Is it okay to buy Omni now after 300% pump, or I don't know, some BTC at 122K? The people only now start browse, and Google Trends only now showing the retails start interest in a BTC. It's kind of just mind blowing how it works, and it's not about a TA. It's not about the I don't know, smart money concept, about some risk management, money management cycles. It's just about a human nature. It's kind of weird. Or now I got a lot of comments like, send me your good coins, what to buy, or send me the list of tokens for portfolio, what to buy, what is good returns for by end of November. Guys, spend own time with research, use the AI, use the charts, use indicator set, and mark your in and out zones. Personally, which one is comfortable for you? Because I never share the portfolio. Portfolio are dynamic. So for example, now I will start to analyze the Ethereum and show you the updates. But why I'm not sharing the portfolio? Because portfolio are dynamic, and I'm not provide any signals, any advices, any suggestions, because, for example, I bought Omni at $2.90 and I'm out at $4, around the $4, right? And I don't have to worry about, oh, I'm out, so I need to make a post, so I'm out of this talk and explain why I'm out. I don't have the time for this stupid signals, And imagine if I'm not paused, I'm out of Omni, somebody still think, oh, yes, he's still holding, and Omni going to zero and deletes it from the exchange, And people start complaining, why you not telling us you out? Because I don't have to. That's why, guys, never chase someone portfolio, never chase someone advices, triggers. You mark your in and out price. You never get the bottom, never sell the top. It's just the facts. It's just the facts, simple facts. Is it the altcoin season finally now? So since March 25, we been here on the June, on the Bitcoin season, till June 25. So now maybe the rule will be open to altcoin season zone. Maybe, who knows? I'm not chasing the, catch exact top for the altcoins. BTC dominance now 64% and 66. It's so high, still high. So the targets for Ethereum still relevant. Rejection, some local rejection. We can find at 3K 285. It's a 0.5 level by fee. My take for Ethereum, 6K here. This 1.61, 2.61. I don't believe in 10K for Ethereum, So absolutely the same story. What I posted even here. So this is absolutely the same fee what I use even for the BTC or Sol or Ethereum. We track these tokens long-term period. So locally, guys, what changed on the Ethereum daily and the weekly? So here was accumulation at 1K 500. Now we're just over the middle line. So this is not at the top of the top. I would like to see that divergency since December 24, this top or this top even here, and hit around 7K for Ethereum. This is going to be the time to sell. Now it was a capitulation. Now it's a hope. So people only now start looking at what to buy. Maybe buy Ethereum at 3K. It's okay to buy Ethereum, I guess, at 3K because we're still on the all-time high, but we get a limitation. So it's 122. If you believe in 10K, 20K for Ethereum, you can accumulate even now. I don't care about Ethereum because I'm not chase 100% profit, from altcoins. So this is it. And ADZ now just out of the middle. Daily, of course, we can see the correction. I explained it. We can see the correction in August, right? And more and more people will open short position. It will be the full for the last maybe 3 months. If this is the beginning of the crazy altcoin season, guys, maybe 3-4 months, it will be more than enough to hit the top. Take a look. Here was October 24 and December 24. October, November, December. Just 3 months, it was a crazy pump. Now the situation can be similar like this one. So pump, for example, here, not the same. So here, June till September, yes, we can pump. For example, some altcoins will need like 300, 400, 500%, maybe 1,000. People hop in again. After that, we dropped 50% down and last impulse up. So guys, altcoin season can be so fast. Take a look at 2023, October, January. So it's not like 1 year alone, like we skyrocket to new all-time high. No, it's not a BTC, it's altcoins. It's easy to pump and dump. So market mood now on Ethereum, okay. It's hope, it's not Ethereum, nothing. Here was out, here is the time to accumulate Ethereum. Everything you could track by yourself, with this indicator set. It's not a magic. Take a look. Money power, trade on. What I don't like the money outflow now from Ethereum. If the market makers get a plan to to drop the bombs now on us, it can be the double bottom. It's going to be the bad scenario because we will waste the time. It will be the double bottom and with the targets around here. But we waste the time. So I wish to see something like this one, to the top. Monthly, it's good. So monthly here was the money out, Now it can be the a downtrend. And we have to go to the top, trade some period here, maybe till end of November, with the money outflow. So now nothing in the monthly. We got a room for continuation. Here we traded 2 weeks. We traded in the money outflow. Here we just first week. Guys, last indicator is take profit. By the way, by trade on indicator here, it was a buyback. Now no signals to sell or so. Guys, all targets relevant. We can trade also in like a chop zone here, build some liquidity, and only after that go in. Straightforward till end of October or November. Some alts will pump, but guys, be ready to fix some profit, or at least withdraw initial deposit. Here, the take profit line on the weekly, 3K694, exit line, and all lines go higher, right? So exit line 4K164, and yes, we can go straight to the 1.61 level by FIP even. We tested and hold the line about the exit line, and this is what I mean. For the next cycle, we can go, for example, like this one, retest, bounce, and drop to the buy line. So the bottom for the Ethereum can be next cycle around 2K and 5 or around 2K. So this is it, guys. Buy now or not, it's only up to you. A lot of altcoins will pump, and it will be so fast. So fast, liquidity in, liquidity out, liquidity in, liquidity out. So mark your entry, mark your exit. That's it. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about Ethereum? Write also in the comments, what do you think about a BTC? Highly recommend to go and check the BTC video, what I posted today. Do you believe it's a real altcoin season? Beginning till end of October, we're gonna pump like crazy. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.